Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, today immediately, please see the format on your screen that is done. I'm revising it quickly for the half meetings. Just listen very clearly. Huh? After this, you'll write a letter. You'll write a letter to the editor. You know who is an editor now?
Yes, ma'am. Newspaper.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You will write a letter to the editor. The name of the newspaper is The Times of India. Note down what things have to be done. The name of the newspaper is.
Wait for 5 minutes.
Yes, Peter?
Please wait for 5 minutes.
Yes, I'll wait. Please go and get your notebooks. In case you're not ready, please. Notebooks. Because in half it, you would have writing section. I'll give 1 minute for others also. Anyone, if you want to go and bring your notebook or something, please bring it.
Ma'am, is this a revision test?
No, this is a kind of revision test only, beta. I'm taking revisions only for half. Because from 1st you have your holidays for 5 days. 1st to 5th September we have holidays. So I think this would be this week only we'll have class. That's all. Maybe 1 or 2 classes next week, and after that you got your half yearlies. That's why I'm taking up revisions only. So basically, having ready, should I speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You all have to write a letter to the editor, The Times of India. The name of the newspaper is Times of India. Note down. Name of newspaper, Times of India. You're writing a letter to whom? Editor. Write a letter to editor, Times of India. Expressing your concern. Write down the subject. Expressing your concern over people in your society and the city. Note down, please. Expressing your concern over people in the society and the city not following COVID guidelines. Not following COVID guidelines. What do you mean by COVID guidelines, children?
Ma'am, by wearing a mask,
Ma'am, COVID
maintaining
rules.
social distancing.
All the COVID protocols that you have, wearing a mask, maintaining social distancing, washing hands, not to have some functions or parties. Okay. Too many people should not gather at one place. So all this is COVID guidelines. So you are seeing that in your society and in your city. Now the people are not following any guidelines. Although the experts are saying that yes, the third wave is going to come. But still they are not following. So you cannot go and tell everybody now, please follow, please follow. So the easiest way to do is write a letter to the editor so that everybody reads it. Even the authorities will read it and they'll take some strict action against these people. You can also request the authorities to take action against such kind of people who are careless. So this is what
Can you
you
repeat again?
You in the last Peter, you make 3 paragraphs in the letter, though I've done it many times with you, but just a revision for you. In the first paragraph, it should be very short. You will only write why you're writing this letter. Okay. What through the esteemed column of your newspaper, I want to draw the attention of the concerned authorities and the public towards this. Whatever you want to say, write in the first paragraph. Second paragraph, give all the details that people are doing this, people are doing this, people are doing this. And the third and the last paragraph, you give your suggestions and requests that government should do this, people should do this. That is it. Okay. See, first paragraph only why you're writing the letter. Second paragraph, give all the details of the letter. And in the third paragraph, what you need to do is simply tell that yes, we can do this, we can do this. That's all. If there is any doubt, please ask me right now. And then once you are finished writing, please write your own name, write the name of your society, wherever you live. You can take that. Okay. If there is any doubt, please ask me, children. Hmm?
No,
Let
ma'am.
me know any kind of a doubt, please let me know, okay? And whoever finishes writing will inform me, post on the group and then read out. Remember, no space should be left towards the margin. Stick to the margin and write everything, all left. Remember
Ma'am,
where to put
ma'am, while writing the second paragraph, I have left ma'am one line, ma'am, and I started from.
line you can leave, but don't go away from the margin. Start from the
Yes,
margin
ma'am.
only.
Okay.
Ma'am, how we get the letter in term one?
What do you mean by this question? How do we get letter in term one method? I did not
Ma'am,
understand.
we have to write or it's in MCQs form.
Beta, term one half yearly is not MCQ. So many times I told you. Your November exam is MCQs, but your September exam is not MCQs. Your half
Ma'am,
yearlies are in September.
Ma'am, I'm asking about September, November one.
November, we will not have the writing section. We have the writing section in September. November,
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have grammar and comprehension data. Okay. That is why I'm
Okay,
making
ma'am.
it writing section. Okay. Whoever finishes will first inform me, check all the commas, formatting, everything, and then.
मैम ये मैम एंड कैसे कर सकते हैं मैम? थर्ड पैराग्राफ में हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं दैट आई एक्सक्यूज मी मैम डन।
Yes, beta, what are you saying? Say again. Your voice is not clear. Speak again.
मैम थर्ड पैराग्राफ में एंड कैसे कर सकते हैं अगर हम चाहें मैम कि हम आप
Beta, I just told you, third paragraph, you have to give suggestions and request the government. Whatever request you can make for the public. What public should do. And what suggestions you will give the government. How government can help in this. They should make laws or they should fine people or they should punish. Whatever you feel you want to give your suggestions, give suggestions. And then express that I hope my letter will be published in the newspaper. That hope has to be shown and expressions and suggestions.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, beta. You post it on the group. I told you to raise your hands. Don't say done, just raise your hands. Those who post on the group will raise their hands. Come on, hurry up. I'll keep checking. Those who have already posted on the group, raise your hands and then you read it out in the class. Better start reading out. Those who have posted on the group, please read out your letters.
Separate 12, 15 May 2020. The editor, The Times of India, Bareilly. Dear sir, subject, biggest concern, COVID rules. Though I read your newspaper daily and read some articles on the topic while linking COVID rules, I would like to express my opinion that one of the society from Bareilly is also violating COVID guidelines. It is a major concern that COVID patients level in my colony Sepra has increased by such a major such a margin. This is an alarming concern which needs to be addressed immediately, otherwise condition will become worse. People have started gathering in parks, temples and shops, and women started going in their kitty party. I would also show not only in Separa, India is also in bad light of COVID-19. It is a irony that most intelligent being on the planet has started practicing silly and dumb things and causing the most of the destruction. I would like to request the population of India to follow COVID guidelines and government to make file to make fine on the people and punish them if they don't follow COVID guidelines. Yours
Carry on.
sincerely, Ayush.
Very good. Yes. Very good, very good. Continue.
Ma'am, done.
Yours and all, how will you close? You've not told the closing.
May I have told the closing, ma'am. I started from the irony that most of the intelligent being on the planet
Saying you
Earth is not practicing.
sincerely, truly, that part I am saying. Speak that closing.
Okay, ma'am. It is
That
an
part.
irony that most of intelligent being on the planet has started practicing silly and dumb things and causing the most destruction. I would like to request the population of India to follow COVID guidelines and government to punish and fine people if they don't follow COVID guidelines. Yours sincerely, Ayush Singh.
Beta, excellent, but this is concluding paragraph. I was asking, how will you write at the last, yours sincerely, what name you will write, yours truly, wo पूछ रहे हैं. What will you write? Last, left, end.
मैम वो लाइन छोड़कर ही लिखा है, वो एक साथ बोल दिया मैंने just.
अच्छा, ओके, इसीलिए आपका एक साथ जा रहा है, तो that is why it's looking like this. Okay, I was just asking about this part, ये वाला, yours sincerely.
Yes, मैम,
आपने
ये मैंने
समझा
जरा पैराग्राफ के साथ ही बोल दिया मैम.
the paragraph only at the end. Okay, very good. So one child has only done. Who is the next who is going to speak? Very good, excellent.
What, may I speak?
Let us speak.
45 Mega Villas, New Delhi, 26 August 2021. The editor, Times of India, New Delhi. Dear Sir, subject concerned for not following proper guidelines. Sir, as you know, people are misusing the guidelines of the government. They are not following the proper guidelines and are breaking laws. People are going
Yes.
out without masks. They are a way of spreading virus more easier and faster. I request you to write and publish an article for this situation on a large scale so that the people of India will be aware and get to know what they are doing wrong, and also they will try to improve. I hope the action will be taken against. Yours sincerely, Malin Ninja.
Very good, excellent, very well spoken. Who's going to speak next? Please start. Hurry up, children, hurry up.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ask, beta, ask what doubt.
Ma'am, if we write, ma'am, अगर हम मैम एड्रेस हम किसी और सिटी का रखें और मैम एडिटर का एड्रेस किसी और सिटी का लिखे तो मैम क्या गलत हो जाएगा?
नहीं बेटा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Most of the newspapers head offices are in Delhi, so that doesn't make a difference. You can always have a difference of address. Difference of cities में कोई problem नहीं है. You can write from Bareilly to the editor who is sitting in Delhi. उसमें कोई problem नहीं. Okay, who will speak next?
Ma'am, I will. 8:30, 5 Enclave, Bareilly, 19 May. The editor, The Times of India, Bareilly. Dear Sir, subject, concern over people not following COVID guidelines. Through the column of your Steam Daily, I would like to express my opinion with the reference report that people in my locality is not following COVID guidelines. It is a major problem that people are not following COVID guidelines. Nobody is maintaining social distance. There is a lot of crowd in the market these days. People not wearing masks after visiting from outside. Nobody is washing hands. Children in my society playing without COVID protocols. I would like to give some suggestion that government should make strict law which we have to follow. In case someone is not following rules, they should be punished with a fine. Government should arrange sanitizer at the distance of 500 meters. I would be thankful if your newspaper will print my letter. Thanking you in anticipation, your faithfully Sania Khan.
Excellent, very good, very well done, Beta. Too good. Who's going to speak next? Yes, children, please. Hurry up, please. Hardly 2-3 minutes are left. Who's going to speak next? Yes, dear, please speak.
Ma'am, I'm be speaking.
Yes, Beta, please. Speak.
21 Rajni Nagar, New Delhi, May 20, 20 May 2020. The editor, Times of India, New Delhi. Subject: not following the COVID guidelines. Through the column of your estimate daily, I would like to draw the attention concern towards the people who are not following the COVID guidelines. I wrote this letter because many dumps are there in the society, in my society, who not following these guidelines. By this type of carelessness, you can lose your type of carelessness, but we can lose our life, which is so much vital for our family. Nobody is there who we after you who can see or taking care of your family. Many people not wearing masks and gloves, not taking any precautions. I know it is very difficult to wear a mask and glove. Many people gathered in one place, which is restricted by and government of a country, and we have to uh, occlude these things doing these things. uh, Government have to take some actions for these dumps. Yours sincerely, Manoj Verma.
Very good. See, he has taken the emotional side of the topic. He's trying to motivate the people by saying that at least take care of yourself because for your family. So he has taken the emotional side of the letter so that people get motivated when they think about their families. Very good, a different point of view. Excellent. Who is coming up next? I hope those who spoken have posted it on the group, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What about
I'm
others?
posting.
Arya? Children, read out. I'm waiting for others.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, better start. Start.
The 99B Super City Bareilly, 15 July 2018. The editor, The Times of India, Bareilly. Dear Sir, subject concerned on people not following COVID-19 guidelines. Through the column of your steamed daily, I would like to express my opinion with your channel. Nowadays, it is clearly visible that people out are not following the guidelines of COVID-19. As we know, third state of it is more dangerous than first and second. In some areas, people do not follow any instruction, no mask, no distancing, no precautions. They think that the time period is finished and neglecting the situation and not taking it seriously. People should follow the protocols and it will be good for them only. I will be thankful of your channel if my consent would be printed. Yours sincerely, Swati Jha.
Very good, beta. Too good, Swati. You've written very nicely. And you've closed it also in a very nice manner. That's very nice and very interesting. Beta, please post on the group, children. Have you posted?
Yes, ma'am, posting.
Okay, then Dhananjay, Swati, post beta, so that others who are not able to write at least will get an idea. Okay, children, hardly 30 seconds left for the class to get over. Those who posted can leave. Let's meet tomorrow then. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, beta. God
you.
bless.